Let's read the story. The Goose That Laid the Golden Eggs. By Hans Christian Andersen. In a humble village nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows, there lived a poor farmer named Jack. Despite his poverty, Jack was content with his simple life. He lived with his wife, Sarah, in a modest cottage surrounded by a small plot of land where they worked tirelessly to make ends meet. One auspicious day, while tending to their farm, Jack and Sarah discovered something extraordinary, a goose unlike any other. This goose was no ordinary bird, for it possessed a remarkable ability. Each morning, when the village awoke to the dawn's light, the goose laid an egg made entirely of shimmering gold. At first, Jack and Sarah were astounded by their fortune. The golden eggs brought unimaginable wealth to the humble couple, transforming their lives. With each egg laid by the miraculous goose, their coffers overflowed with gold, and their once meager existence became one of affluence and luxury. Eager to amass more wealth, Jack's mind became consumed by avarice. He dreamed of the grandeur that an abundance of gold could bring. His thoughts were no longer content with the daily golden egg, he craved more riches and yearned to hasten the process. Impatient and driven by greed, Jack hatched a misguided plan. He believed that the goose must have a treasure trove of golden eggs within her, reasoning that by retrieving them all at once, he could hasten his ascent to unparalleled wealth. One fateful morning, under the veil of darkness, Jack stealthily crept into the goose's pen. With trembling hands, he grabbed hold of the unsuspecting bird and, with impulsive haste, sliced her open, expecting a cascade of golden eggs to spill forth. To his dismay, no hoard of treasure emerged. The unfortunate goose, whose miraculous gift had brought prosperity to Jack and Sarah, lay lifeless at his feet. Instead of finding riches, Jack's greed had brought an abrupt end to the source of their good fortune. As the sun rose, Jack realized the folly of his actions. Remorse and regret gnawed at his conscience as he mourned the loss of the precious goose that had blessed them with wealth beyond their wildest dreams. With the goose gone, so too was their fortune. Jack and Sarah were left with nothing but regret and the memory of their foolish greed. The once abundant riches vanished, and they found themselves back in the same state of poverty from which they had originally emerged. The moral of the story was clear: greed leads to destruction. Jack's insatiable desire for more had led to the loss of something far more valuable than wealth, their contentment and the golden goose itself. From that day forward, Jack and Sarah learned to appreciate what they had, understanding that contentment and gratitude were far more precious than any material wealth. Their simple life resumed, but now they cherished the lessons learned from the tragic fate of the goose that laid the golden eggs. The end. Please subscribe to the Teddy Bear Storytime YouTube channel and select to receive all notification. Thank you.